Looking to lose weight naturally? Have you tried everything to lose weight, but nothing seems to really work? What if I told you that there is a natural solution, backed by science, that can transform your health and your body? Today, we're going to talk about LIV PURE. Stay with me until the end. So, what is LIV PURE? It's a supplement made with 100% natural ingredients that help burn fat, regulate blood sugar, and give you more energy for your day-to-day. We're talking about powerful compounds like L-carnitine, chlorogenic acid, green tea, and resveratrol. All proven by scientific studies. L-carnitine transports fats to the mitochondria, the body's energy plants. Studies show that it increases metabolism and gives you more energy. This comes from green coffee. It reduces carbohydrate absorption and improves insulin sensitivity, helping to control blood sugar and lose weight. Rich in catechins and caffeine, green tea is a metabolism booster. It increases fat burning and helps you burn more calories. This antioxidant reduces inflammation, protects the heart, and even helps reduce fat accumulation. It's health and weight loss all in one. With LIV PURE, you will feel an accelerated metabolism, more energy, controlled blood sugar, and benefits for your heart and brain. To use it, it's simple: take it daily, along with a balanced diet and some exercise. The effects come with consistency. If you want real results, you can't wait any longer.